In this video, let us learn how to push our project into the GitHub repository main branch. So for that purpose, we need to go to our project folder path. So where exactly our project folder path is available means we should go to C drive, Playwright Python automation. Playwright Python automation. This is the demo workspace. Under demo workspace, right click. So this is our project only, test. Under test only we have these many files. Right click out here and click show more option. Here open git bash here. Open git bash here. The first command we should run here. So again cross check about your folder path under demo workspace only. Under demo workspace only we have a project called sample project. So under demo workspace only we should right click and we need to select which one, git bash here. Open git bash here. We have selected. As soon as if we can select, we got this particular option. The first command we should run, we have to introduce our username and email ID. For that purpose, git config -- global user.name. So we need to enter our GitHub repository name. How I came to know that this is the name we supposed to enter? So please go to GitHub account. In GitHub account profile, so what the name is available, the same name only we need to enter there. Okay, user.name means this is the name only we need to enter. Even our repository also it should contain the same name. So once after entering the name, just enter it. And second one, we need to provide our email ID. Git config -- global user.email. So please provide email ID. Which email ID we should provide means the email ID we have used for creating the GitHub account. The same email ID you should provide. Once after providing the username and email ID, the next step we have to go here and here we need to provide, these are the commands we need to provide. So these are the list of commands are available we need to provide. Which is the one? First initialization we need to do, git init. So git init. As soon as if we can do git init, a .git folder was generated. So go to this folder path, see that .git folder has generated. Once after initialization, the second next step, we need to add readme file. That's adding the readme file doesn't require. Instead of readme file, we should add our complete project, sample project into our GitHub repository. For that purpose, we should use this particular command. What is the command? Git add. So because I need to add everything entire, so that's the reason dot space dot we need to provide. So once after adding everything, we need to commit. How to commit it means git commit -m initial draft, because this repository is initial draft. Once after committing everything, what is the next command? The next command is, currently it was showing as a main master branch only. It should change into main. That's the reason we should write this particular command. We need to execute this particular command. Git branch -m. So this is a command, we should run it. Yes. So once after running this command, immediately it changes to main. Instead of master, it changes to main. Once after executing this command, we are supposed to run this particular command. Before running, please make sure if you can select HTTPS, here also it got changes on HTTPS. If you can select SSH, it changes into SSH. That's the reason. Please make sure whether you have selected SSH here. Copy the complete command. What is the command? Git remote add origin that repository URL you need to provide. Okay, what is the command? Git removed add origin. This repository URL you need to provide. Once after providing this particular one, the last command git push -u origin main. This command we should run it. Once after running this particular command, so it's asking for the passphrase. So provide your passphrase. So yes, it was pushing the entire into the main branch, entire project, which is our entire project, sample project, into the main branch of our repository. So now if you can click on this one, so carefully observe, it was pushing entire the project into our main branch. Which is the branch? Main branch only. Click on this one. See, we have, these are the files are available under test, the file called test demo1, test demo2, and launch browser and browser2, browser3, everything is available here. So based on this particular approach, we have created a main branch. So currently which the project is under the main branch only. Okay, thank you.